Hey guys, welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. We're packing up to head to 10 Killer. We got to take 4 piglets with us, so we thought we'd bring you along so you could watch us catch them. So come see what we do. You gotta hang on for dear life, Nick.
I got one!
Hey, you sweet baby. Come in.
Here.
Come in.
That orange one, babe. Yeah. That one. Both of those.
They're coming. Okay. Now.
Woo! We got one! We got one! We got one!
Cage!
Cage! Cage! Cage! Cage!
Up, up, up. There we go. We got one. Yeah.
You go, Dad!
Now what? That's a boy. Is that a boy or a girl?
We gotta verify.
Oh, pick it up. That one. He's not scared.
Get it! Pick it up! Pick it up!
Pick it up!
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Defense. Yeah, defense. Yeah, what's up?
Look at the ball control. That's basketball for you.
Got it. This one we don't. So that one get my phone out. Okay. Have you figured it out, little girl?
I don't know.
Back to the corner right here.
Come on, buddy. It's me and you.
Right here. Orange.
Her.
That one. Beefy.
Cage!
That's a girl. That is a girl.
Hang on a little.
Pick up.
Okay, we don't have to go in. There you go. You got it, guys?
All you do is just let it sit right there. Let it sit.
Let's set. What are you doing?
It's alright, push. We can get it.
Okay, sweet girl. I know we're about to have your cage back to yourself, sweetheart. You're gonna be so happy. Oh.
Y'all, you said one boy and 3 girls.
Right.
Okay, so when we get the girls, then at the end of the girls, we don't have any more.
Yeah.
So,
One out of these.
That brown one? Girl?
Got it. Alright, you're on the last one.
Come on, Bill.
You got this one. It's you and this
Girl,
one.
come on. Come on.
It's her right there.
That's her. Oh,
that ain't gonna work.
Shit. She just plowed right through you.
all right. All 4 of them are in there. Y'all ready to go to Oklahoma? You are just super skittish right now. The water bottle is leaking from the wrong spot. There's some water right there, baby.
Girl, what is
Oh, you got them scared. You okay, girl? You were the hardest one to catch. Hey, here is your mott. Shoot.
There goes another phone.
There's another phone.
There goes another phone.
Here is your motley. Oh, darn it.
Motley
Okay.
Pig Crew.
Motley Pig Catching Crew.
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up, guys.
Ready for Oklahoma.
Yes, we're going to tear out of here in the morning. Take care of you and yours. God bless.
See ya
On.
in our next video.
Video.